Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make keto chicken and rice skillet. Hey guys, let's get started with this easy chicken and rice skillet. It's rice. We're using cauliflower rice. But whenever I was a kid, this is one of the meals that we had a lot, and it's so delicious. And it involves chicken and rice and like cream of mushroom soup and like the onion soup mix packet. So I'm recreating that in a keto way. We're starting with 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And I'm going to cook them on both sides in some avocado oil, and I'm going to season them with some salt and pepper. Okay, we got our chicken all browned on both sides. I've removed it from the pan and set it aside. So now we're going to start with the creamy sauce with the cauliflower rice, and we're going to start with 1 cup of minced mushrooms. And I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons of dried onion flake. It's going to give it that onion soup mix flavor, that unmistakable onion soup mix flavor, but without the package. So we're just going to let these mushrooms and onions soften. Okay, that looks good. So I'm going to add 1 cup of beef broth to the pan. I'm going to let this come up to a simmer, and we can start to scrape any of the burnt on brown bits from the bottom of the pan from our chicken and our mushrooms. Okay, now we are going to add in 1 cup of heavy cream. And we've got 12 ounces of, this was frozen cauliflower rice already chopped for us just by in the freezer section. Easy peasy. So what we're going to do is we're going to let this simmer and thicken. Okay, our sauce is looking really good. It's been simmering for about 5 minutes. I'm going to add the chicken back to the pan so it can finish cooking. Okay, this looks amazing. It's all ready. Look at how delicious this looks. You can just see how the cream sauce looks with the cauliflower rice. And let's get a taste and make sure it's seasoned good. Yes, so good. All of the flavors of the traditional chicken and rice that I'm used to. You are going to love this recipe. Also, make sure you check out this playlist of dessert recipes if you're on YouTube. You are going to love all of those. They're easy, just like all of my recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.